the Philippine Reader and Writers Festival 2026 under National Bookstore here in Araneta City, Cubao. So we are also proud to share that TAG Media Group is the only media company conducting magazine signing events at National Bookstore. And we are very happy to inform everyone that TAG Media Group is a home of 5 magazines in total. So we have Rising Tigers Magazine, Leading Women, Exquisite, In Charge Magazine, and our very own Top News Asia. So this magazine features inspiring stories, leaders, personalities, entrepreneurs, advocates, and individuals who continue to make an impact in their respective fields. And of course, today would not be possible without the remarkable individuals who are joining us for this special occasion. So right now, I'm very thrilled and honored to introduce the woman behind the TAG Media Group's growing magazine portfolio, the president, editor-in-chief, and author of Top News Asia magazine, Engineer Grace Bondag Nicolas.
Okay, so good afternoon, each and every one of you. We're very actually grateful that we're having this kind of activities here at National Bookstore. This morning, actually, when I met Sandra Ramos, and she congratulated me with regards to the foot traffic and also with the sales of the different magazines that we have here in National Bookstores. So that will not happen if there's no readers, of course, there's no patrons, there's no partners. So thank you so much for that. And for this afternoon, we have actually here, of course, the leaders. If you're going to check our publication, those are always the leaders of this generation. And in spite of their very, very busy schedules, look, they're here in front of you, right? So can we give a round of applause? So again, thank you so much and hope that you're going to be joining us in the coming future also. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Ma'am Grace. So right now, let's move on to our second guest. So we are also very honored to have with us today the incumbent chairman of the Commission on Elections, Attorney George Erwin Mojica Garcia, a distinguished public servant, a lawyer who leads the country's election body and plays a vital role in ensuring fair, credible, and orderly elections in the Philippines. Give it a round of applause, everyone.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Magandang araw, maulan. Alam niyo po, kasususpend lang ng pasok sa mga opisina ng pamahalaan, pati rin iba sa private. Kami naka-work from home din. Nagpapasalamat kami na nandito po kayong lahat despite the weather. At papasalamat din po kami sa laging pagtaguyod nyo sa Top News Asia at sa mga ibang magazine po nito. Maraming salamat din sa patuloy na pagsuporta po sa kanilang Commission on Elections. Maghahala lang po tayo, hindi sigurado kung matutuloy. Hanggang ngayon, pinagdidebatihan po nila, pero handa naman po kami. Ang pinaka-importante, yung pinakakauna-unahan po kasi namin, itong Bangsamoro parliamentary elections. 4 na beses na po yung nasususpend, napupuspon. So hopefully, ito na yung kahuli-hulihan. Pero syempre, kauna-unahan naming halalan itong darating na August 29. Meron po kami sa Dasmariñas, Cavite. Siyempre, yung Barangay SK elections. Ngayon naman po November 2. Yan, lahat na yan pinaghahandaan namin. Kasama na rin po yung premisito sa Naga City. Ang Naga City po kasi nagpapa-convert into a highly urbanized city si Mayor Lenny Robredo. So ganyan po kadami yung mga pinaghahandaan na halala ng inyong Commission on Elections. Talaga naman kung kakailanganin namin ang tulong at suporta ng bawat isa. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, Chairman. Thank you so much, Chairman George. So, before we introduce our next featured leader, let us please watch this video.